So let's say you've now have everything all set up for Chinese chess. So how do you move each piece? Well, we'll find out today. It's because I'm going to teach you how to move each of the chess pieces. Now assume that you are a green team. So using this side. And later, it's going to be exactly the same thing for red. So it's mirrored in that sense. But I will also tell you which pieces are called what and also what they can do. First we'll start with the, foot soldier's pawn in the Western chess. So if you're on a green, you can move. Well, first of all, notice that chess pieces are not on the squares. They're on the intersections of the lines. That's how Chinese chess is. They're on the intersection of lines. They're not gonna move from square to square. So, what does the foot soldier do? It moves up. That's all. Until it passes this river. So once it moves up, so one move more, it will be on this side. Now I can move left and right. And that is not bad. However, it doesn't get an extra 2 moves in its first turn. It only moves once and once period. However, if it passes through this river, it can move left and right as well. Something like leveling up. Alright. Next is the cannon. The cannon can move as much as it wants. Yes, it can move up, down, left, right as much as it wants to. And that's really good. That's very strong. Same with the car. The car can move up, down, left, right as much as it wants to. So the cannon and the car are very similar. They both have wheels, I would assume. The horse moves like this. Let's say the horse was right here. The horse will move up and then cross like that. Or easily you can do an L shape like this. Move to the right and move up twice. Or let's say you can also move like this. Or if it was over here, it can move like this. However, if it's blocked by this pawn, it cannot move because originally I said it was like this. Well, yeah, that's the original movement. So if it's being blocked in the front and it wants to go over here, it can't because it can't do this up diagonal motion. Alright. This is the elephant. The elephant moves diagonally 2 spaces, so that's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It moves this from this corner to this corner. Alright, and this is the guard for the general. It moves only within this section. It can move only diagonally. So it can only be here, and it wants to move here, 1 space only. 1 space only. Or if it was here, it can also move here. Or if this part was empty, then it can also move here. Last but not least, we have the general, which can also only move within this space, and it can move up, down, left, right, but not diagonally. Or is that true? I'm not sure. Well, let's find out. I need to find out. Alright, I'm being told that the king, the general, cannot move diagonally. It can only move straight. Alright, so if it was over here, it can move here, and then if it was over here, it can move this way, or this way. Once it's over here, it can move this way, or back. So remember, these 3 can only be in this area, while this elephant, of course, can move so much space. Of course, it was blocked By this cannon, it can't move because it can move only diagonally. And one thing about the elephant is it cannot cross the river. Now, the chess pieces move the way they capture the enemy, in that wherever they move, they can capture. Let's say this guy was over here, and it was also the green team's turn. It can eat like this. Or it will somehow over here, which is kind of impossible, then I can eat like this. Yeah. However, the cannon is different in that it jumps over. It's a leaper. So let's say I was over here, and it's my turn. I have to jump over any kind of character, and I can capture it this way. Very cool, huh? So let's say I was a horse, and I was over here, and it's my turn. Capture like this. See? It'll be like movements from here and here. Like so. Okay? Of course, the car is very, very strong. Kind of like the queen in Western chess. If I move up over here, I get to eat this. You know, very strong. So keep it alive as much as possible. Of course, remember that these foot soldiers can move left and right once they cross the river. Alright, that's all for now.